Hello Saber Forum, E-Rock here again, back with another custom sound font review, and this time by Saber Forum's own Zren Tobas. He did it. He actually did it, and here it is, guys. It is awesome. It is actually a what we would consider an original font, kind of like Big Boss's Zephyr font. It's okay. I'm not going to go so far as to say it's not Ben Burtt inspired. I mean, basically, if it's lightsaber, it's going to be Ben Burtt inspired. It's going to happen. But this one is not your standard lightsaber font. Allow me to demonstrate. The hum is nice and oscillating. If you have a flicker effect, possible if anybody's doing that mod, that'd be pretty cool. This would actually go well with it. And there are 6 swings. They seem to match quick swinging styles, which is pretty cool. Alright, there are 6 clashes as well. I have to change batteries, flash sensors here. Got a lock up. Okay, and the power down. Which kind of sounds like shutting the gas off. It's pretty cool. Anyway, really neat font. It's very interesting. Works well with the Saber. It's loud, but it's not too loud, I find. Again, which is nice. You can't have them all too loud so you can't hear yourself think. Anyway. Need that in there. Thank you very much for watching, and Zren Tobas, good job, man. Congratulations, and thanks for watching.